What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best RC car on Aliexpress under $50 through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the RC cars, I have included link in the description box down, before which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with E19256 1x12 scale Rockcrawler RC Car. It has strong climbing ability, has powerful 4-wheel drive engine, and other features to make it a climbing expert. It can easily climb the places that are hard to deal with. With independent 4-wheel shock absorbers, it can absorb shocks caused by bumpy road surfaces and give you a better experience. Its body is made with alloy, which makes it durable and makes it among the stronger RC cars. It has some high-toughness support rod that makes it more durable and stronger than ever. The high-toughness support rods add some essential support to its body. Its powerful motor provides enough power to give your kids adrenaline-pumping experience. Its anti-slip big tires are great essentials for hard terrains. These anti-slip big tires help the car achieve great climbing and racing quality. It has a front power motor and a rear power motor that gives it more control over the roads and all. It has high-burst batteries that provide essential powers to rule over the terrains and give you lovable moments. Up next, we have BEZGAR TM201 1x20 off-road monster car. It has flexible polyvinyl chloride car shells that are scratch-resistant and flexible. This flexible car shell protects the body in daily use and lets you enjoy awesome rides. It also lowers the weight ratio efficiently to achieve better control and more lightness. It also effectively prevents the damage caused by crashes. Because of its precision 2.4 GHz control, you can race multiple vehicles side by side without interference. The programming provides long-range control that leads to a better experience. It has 30 meters remote control distance. It gives proportional forward, reverse, and braking control. It can give you speed up to 15 km/h. The rubber material and design tire tread of its all-terrain rubber tires have better elasticity, wear resistance, heat resistance, chemical stability, and grip. They allow the car to adapt and conquer more terrains. These rubbers are pre-glued and mounted onto wheels to prevent tire misalignment. Its scale is 1x20 scale, which makes it easier to control, an ideal toy-grade RC truck for both boys and girls. It has 3.7-volt, 500 mAh battery that can give about 20 minutes of playtime in total, and it takes about 1.5 hours to be fully charged. The very next RC car we have is E380 soft big sponge tire Stunt RC Car. With a 2.4 GHz anti-interference automatic matching code, the remote control can support multi-vehicle competition. It gives great control over your car. It also has 2 speed modes, high-speed mode and normal mode. You can switch between fast and slow speed as you like. The radio control range is 25 meters, and the max speed of this amazing car is up to about 6.1 km/h. It has a large-capacity lithium battery of 1,000 mAh, which provides about 18 minutes of usage time. It has big flexible sponge wheels that give it the ability to climb in hard places. It also helps to make the stunts. Its wheels are soft, flexible, collision-resistant, and safe. They do not scratch furniture, floors, and walls. The flexible wheels also make it crawling expert, and you can easily drive over obstacles like nothing. As we said earlier, because of its big sponge wheel, it can do different types of stunts. It can so smooth flips. It can flip both forward and backward. It can easily jump from sofa or other obstacles. It can also do 360-degree spins. Furthermore, we have JCO3 spray swing arm car in our list. It has multiple driving modes. One of them is stand mode, and another one is normal mode. The front side of the car will be lit up from the ground in stand mode. It sprays water, and it has a watering mouth to deposit some water. It has a kettle too, to pour the water into the water mouth. It can do lots of amazing things. One of them is 360-degree rotation. They do upside-down 360-degree rotation. It has watch-type gravity sensor drive. You can use your hands and control this amazing car by swinging. You will also get a remote control system. In both controlling systems, you can turn on or turn off light. You can also spray water with them. You can make sounds too. Besides these uncommon features, you can also do basic things like turning left, right or around, moving forward or back. You will get 2 color variations in it. You'll get beautiful green and orange colors. Both of them look great. Kids will love both colors. With its 3.7-volt lithium battery, it can give you about 25 minutes of use time in a charging time of about 120 minutes. We can finish it up with Wltoys SJ88 Jumping Bounce Car. Because of its amazing design and jumping ability, it can spin 360 degrees and jump 80 centimeters high in the air. Besides, the normal functions such as turning right or left, going forward or backward, and short or long jumps are applicable. You can press the wheels to make the car narrower and stretch the wheels to make the car wider. You can easily make it into different shapes. There are 2 flashing LED lights on the top of the car. They look like eyes of the car and light up the way ahead. These LED lights add a great look to it. Its unique design and cool appearance makes it apart from other cars. The 2-wheel design and flexible wheel adjustable system makes it unique and alluring product. With its 3.7-volt, 300 mAh LiPo battery, it can cruise for 20 minutes at the speed of 7 km/h, where transmitting frequency is 2.4 GHz and remote control distance reaches 40 meters. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys later.